Welcome. Today I am with Jabra Elite 85H and I will show you how you can use the ambient sound control. So we can use it in the two ways. The first one, by using the Jabra Sound Plus application. As you can see, we are connected, and here we can find the sound modes. So we can go for the ambient sound. It's called the hear through. Here we can adjust also the level of the ambient sound. You can activate noise cancellation and just turn off. Then another method, we have to grab our headphones, and in this place, on the left earbud, as you can see, it's the left one, we can find this button. When we are going to click it once, as you can see, the ambient sound control is working. So there it is. That's how we can switch. That's how we can control the ambient sound. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.